Welcome to Error Genie. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 slow download issue on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on Windows 11. Follow these easy steps, and let's get your download speed back on track. Step 1. Pause and restart the download. Open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Navigate to your library or the game's download page. Pause the download, wait a few seconds, and then restart it. Check if this resolves the issue. Step 2. Run a command to optimize downloads. Copy the command provided in the video description. Type CMD in the Windows search box. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Paste the command into the command prompt and press Enter. Once the command runs successfully, try downloading the game again. Step 3. Perform a power cycle. Shut down your computer by clicking the Start menu and selecting Shut Down. Unplug the power cable from your computer. Turn off your Wi-Fi router and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Plug the power cable back into the computer and restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn your computer back on and check if the download speeds improve. Step 4. Run additional network optimization commands. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. See Step 2. Copy and paste the commands provided in the video description, one at a time. Hit Enter after each command to execute it. Restart your computer after running all the commands. Step 5. Check for Windows updates. Open Settings, then Windows Update. Check if any updates are pending. If there are updates, allow them to complete before trying to download the game again. Step 6. Limit internet usage. Ensure no one else is streaming videos or downloading large files on your network. Temporarily disconnect other devices to maximize bandwidth for your download. Step 7. Perform a network reset. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset and select Reset Now. Confirm the action, and your computer will restart. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password ready. Step 8. Use an Ethernet connection. If possible, connect your computer to the router using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection often provides more stable and faster download speeds. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the slow download issue and install Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 without any problems. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Error Genie, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting tips. Thank you for watching and happy flying.